Namaste, good evening India. Today I will demonstrate brain yoga. What is brain yoga? You know that you have left and right part of the brain, and we want to activate both left and right part of the brain by certain yogic technique which we will be doing today. You already know that there is a lot of mental pressure, lot of stress which is inside the mind of large number of students who are going to give the exams. Also, you know, people are suffering from brain fog due to the mental and psychological effects of the corona pandemic. The question is, can we cleanse our mind? Can we increase our creativity? Can we increase our mental power by doing certain yoga? Can we remove the stress? Can we remove the brain fog? Can we remove pain, misery which is deposited, which is acting in our brain? You know, there are 7 chakras. You have 7 chakras. Can we give a good circulation and release all the past which is inside our body? Can we improve our blood circulation? Can we improve our immunity? The answer is yes. So here is a brain yoga technique which I will do. What I will do, you can see this is my right hand. I am holding this part of the ear. You see this part of the ear? This I am holding with the right hand. This is my left hand. I am holding this lower part of the ear. Now I am in this position. I hope you understand. You have seen in old time of schools, certain teachers were giving punishments like this: hold your ears, and we were saying it is a punishment. Remember, once I do this, now this right is activating my left part of the brain, and left is activating the right, and right is activating the left part of the brain. You have seen my position. What I will do, I will inhale, sit down, and exhale up. So these are the sit downs I will be doing, and in this position I will make 14 sit downs. While I inhale, I sit down. When I exhale, I will stand up. These are the sit-ups in this position. And this reminds me of Lord Ganesha. You have seen people doing puja of Lord Ganesha. The Lord Ganesha is blessing me when I will do these activities, because he is a symbol of creativity, symbol of intelligence. There will be a lot of intelligence, lot of creativity which will be created by this, and this improves our immunity, brain strength, activates both parts of the brain, releases chemicals which will activate the both parts of the brain. While you are feeling tired, exhausted, those students who are coming for exams, they can do this brain yoga. Okay, I am going to close my eyes and start. Inhale, exhale. 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 Inhale, sit down. Exhale, stand up. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, sit down. Exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Okay, you have understood it. 14 times, 15 times, or few minutes. You will see a lot of heat energy is being liberated, toxic substances from brain being released. If you find difficult to sit down, you can use a chair and hold this position. Inhale down, exhale up. Inhale down, exhale up on a chair. If you can do lesser than this, okay, try it. Experience the change which will come in your body and mind. Important point is that these yogic techniques, breathe in, breathe out, you can control your mind and body, become more healthy, more stable, also improve your brain power. So I would advise all the students who are stressed, going for exam, to do it. Other people, daily exhausted and stressed, the whole work they are doing, they can try it, experience it. Always say, experience the yogic asanas. Do it in a comfortable position, how much your body can take. Don't put pressure, don't stress out too much. And if you are suffering from some disease, consult your physician before you do any of the yogic exercises. At the same time, our purpose is to improve our mind, body, and control our mind, body, brain by yoga and breathing techniques. This is a natural way. This will help you a lot, especially the coming generation, the children. They must be given practice of yoga and breathing techniques so that they can become more healthy, more stable, more focused, more concentrate, and they can attain their high marks and high career in their life, rather than collapsing or falling down or complaining of fatigues. So the 7 chakras here, I have cleaned them, provided energy, aura, and they have become more activated. The left and the right part of the brain have become activated. I can study, I can make notes, and this will help me. Or also it has removed the brain fog which is there in my mind. नमस्ते, मैं फिर मिलता हूँ आपको कोई और योगा की टेक्निक लेके अगली बार. I thank you all. Namaste.